Alright, this is I guess another video response to go along with cutlery levers. I saw his one-handed field strip of a Glock. I'll go ahead and throw one up there too, I guess. Since I sat here for about 10 seconds and looked at it and figured out I could do it. Of course it's not the safest, I don't recommend you do it at all. But let's try it. Safety of the gun, of course. I've checked it previously, but we'll go ahead and check it again. Let's do a one-handed check. Stick my finger in there. Nothing in there. Let's get a visual. Empty. Extractor's down. It is empty. Safe direction. Bang. Or lack thereof. Alright. Now let's try and field strip it one-handed. Of course, this isn't the safest method. Let's pull it down. Index finger and thumb. There we go. All the way off. Slide is empty. Well, let's try that again. Empty. There you go. Completely field stripped. One-handed. Now, let's put it back together. One. Spring. Oh yeah. Flip it back over. Get it on the rails. All the way down. Up, up, up. Didn't get it on there. Let's try that again. Alright. A little trouble here. There's going to be some trouble. Get on. There it is. There it is. Just to get them started. And bang. Can rack the slide one-handed all the way. Nothing falls out. Pinch your hand a little bit, no big deal. Let's do it again. There you go. One-handed. This makes I guess the third time I've done it, and it just got a little easier this time too. I'd say the hardest part's getting a slide back on it one-handed, and I'm sure I'll figure out a trick to that too. Up, up, up. What'd I do last time? Lay the slide down. Nope, nope, nope. There it goes. There we go. Bang. That's it. 3 minutes. 2 field strips, one-handed, complete reassembly. It's not all that difficult at all. One-handed, right there. And I even got a bum hand too. So, there you go.